So we should have filmed that. That would have been amazing.
Just off camera, we had another Micra, another 1 litre, same era.
Yeah.
Micra is now behind us.
Yeah.
You know, we had a little bit of fun at the lights. Now we're having a little bit of fun here. They beat us at the first set of lights, and then we got revenge.
I got him back tonight.
Yeah.
Good driver, mate.
You should have shouted Stock Nation TV at us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You didn't know.
No.
Oh well. So, hello and welcome to Stock Nation TV. In this episode, how much difference does a bonnet scoop make to a 1 litre Nissan Micra? Well, if I want my window down...
Yeah. And if I drop it down a gear or two...
Yeah.
Or one, if you can hear it. Hold on. Quite a lot. Well, we've taken out all the airbox as well, so we've only got the top of the throttle body exposed.
Which Ed's going to get like a HKS filter for.
I'll get one of those mushroom ones with a coupler on it. But look at that.
I mean, if you can hear that, and we're going to do some outside shots of the car driving past, so you'll hear it more then. But yeah, it gives the car a little bit more of a sort of sound.
That. Oh,
that's good, isn't it?
It is good, isn't it? I hope it picks it up. The camera knows. There.
This is
booming.
It is a proper booming sound. And in theory, breather mods will add a little bit of horsepower, so there won't be a lot of horsepower.
No.
But I mean, it might have changed 54 to 57.
55 maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
No, I reckon
53.
I reckon no, with that sort of breather mod, man, there's less restriction.
Yeah.
I reckon 57.
Yeah.
54 to 57.
Oh, okay.
I mean, the second set of lights, you burnt that red one off.
Yeah, and that's
behind us.
And that's turbocharged.
Yeah. And that's yeah. So yeah, we've got and they're back behind us again.
Yeah. Nice bunch of lads.
Nice younger lads.
They're up for a little race.
They've got the weight advantage over us because Ed and I probably weigh a combined 30 stone ish. Combined 30-ish. And they probably weigh a combined 20.
And the 30 stone's probably just like disproportionate to probably like 60-40, just to give you an indication. Maybe 35. 65. Harsh. But to be fair, both Ed and I love this car. This K11 Micra is sick. And and it's not going anywhere because it's my only bloody car.
Yeah, it's Ed's only car currently. Well, he does have another car, but it's not ready at this moment in time.
No, it needs an MOT.
So yeah, we love this car, and Ed thankfully properly loves it, which means he'll probably keep it for a bit longer, which is nice. I mean, look at how good that looks.
Can they see it really well?
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, it looks sick. And I mean, you know, and just saying bye to the boys.
Boys to bird.
The boys.
Boys to men.
Boys to men. They had some Steelies on as well, so we have the weight advantage there. Let's get this window up. But yeah, this car is a bit of a fun machine.
It is fun.
And you know, the amount of fun that Ed's had in it since having it is massive. I mean, it even sounds good, and we've only got this sunroof open a little bit. A notch.
Sounds amazing.
Does sound good. And you know, now it looks like a tiny Subaru. Ed's been driving it like a tiny Subaru. Speed humps.
Tiny dancer.
Ed gives 0 fucks about speed humps, don't you?
Well, because we're so high off the ground.
We're already rally spec anyway.
Yeah. Get some Suzuki Ignis Sport wheels.
Yeah.
Rally spec wheels.
This car is cool though. It's proper smiles per gallon. This car.
Keep looking at a scoop. It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I think I've ever had a car with a scoop on it.
No, you've had a Iggy Sport. They've got a scoop. They've got like a small one that's built into the bonnet. I think
mine didn't. No.
Ah.
Mine didn't. No, it didn't.
So what's going to be nice now is in a second we're going to be hitting a road that you guys who've watched videos with us before, listen to that sound. hitting a fast piece of road in a minute that's been on the channel. I like driving this road a lot. Ed doesn't drive it that frequently, other than when he's a passenger.
This might give the Cube a run for its money now.
Maybe. I mean, you know, neither of those cars are fast.
No.
Although I did, as Ed had a go at me about, I drove the Cube too fast in a video recently. So, but that's about having fun in it. I don't lose control. The car is fine. Probably. I haven't driven it much since then.
This one could end up in a ditch, but it's dry conditions. I'm confident.
Yes. Yeah. It is dry.
But mate, that Scoop is awesome.
That Scoop looks sick.
The
It shouldn't sound that. It sounds almost brutal. A 1 litre engine doesn't normally sound like that.
And it's probably
hold it back a little bit so you can get a nice bit of acceleration.
And it's probably doing it the world of good, having loads of nice air.
Yeah, it really would be.
I bet it's actually doing a job.
We've got 16 valves working perfectly.
Yeah.
Efficient performance. Just going to let these cars get ahead so when we hit the 50 mile an hour we can really fly. Take flight, Ed! This is so fast. Wow, the way that accelerated. Listen to it though.
Not even 70 yet. Not even 70, it's still 64. There we go.
I mean, we finally caught up with the cars driving really slowly in front.
Yeah. And I just foot to the pedal the whole time.
But it's not about this, you know, cars, smaller engine cars, which we're both going that way at the moment. You know, the future of the short-term future of the channel is smaller engines.
Small little fun cars.
It's about driving them on the limit of those engines. Yeah, it's great having all of the horsepower ever, but is there really enough straight road where we live to have to really make use of horsepower? Not really.
No.
We've got a lot of bendy, excellent country roads, and you know, like with the Accord, my Accord that I sold recently, handling wise, I spec'd that up brilliantly. You know, breather mods made the car perform really, really well, but it probably had that little bit too much to really enjoy these roads. You know, I enjoy driving the Cube really fast. Oh, professional. I enjoy driving these roads really fast in the Cube because it's a little bit squeaky bum time. It's a little bit edge of your seat because it's not a performance car. Like, this isn't a performance car, but it's about making them a little bit more performance orientated and having the right roads to be able to really enjoy pushing them, spreading the car to its limit. Spread eagle. Oh yes, we've got free road.
Jeez. The sound is amazing.
It does sound good.
You can hold third gear all day.
All day?
You look.
Oh yeah, the rev counter's there. Yeah.
Jeez.
No, you're alright, you're alright.
There we go.
You're alright, mate, you're alright, mate.
Well, we can turn around somewhere now.
Yeah, up here.
Is that where you turn around when you were doing it?
Yeah.
God, that sounds amazing,
to the left.
isn't it?
To the left, to the left. And then you can drop me at that bus stop.
I'll drop you at the bus stop, boy.
And I'll take some great little sad views of the car.
Am I going to go do a drive-by?
Ah, you are. There you are,
Watch it here, aren't you?
Right.
You got to watch it here, or
Oh, well, you know.
come over quickly?
Come over, and then you go right. Bastard. Right, let's turn these cameras off until I get back in.
Yeah, it was a bit of fun.
Yeah, a little bit of fun. Ed driving by.
Yeah.
The car sounds wicked.
I'm nursing her back now, mate.
Good. Well, we'll nurse her back to Exeter.
Yeah.
And yeah, does a bonnet scoop make a difference? Does the car feel faster, Ed?
No.
Doesn't feel faster. No.
Yeah, just a little louder. Feels like it is faster because it sounds louder.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm not noticing any real more speed.
No.
No.
But the engine should be breathing more easily.
Yes,
so.
yeah, it's had an oil change as well, an oil filter and new sparky, so yeah, and it's got a lot more air now, so I'll order a nice HKS mushroom air intake, air top for it.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's coming along nicely, mate.
Nice.
Nice little cheapy mods.
Definitely.
And the scoop was only 10 quid.
Yeah.
Off eBay.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
the rest already, didn't we? So,
Exactly.
yeah.
And it wasn't, as you'll have seen from the installation video if you watched that first.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it didn't take us that long to do, did it?
Not really, no.
And we both actually did stuff. Whereas in a lot of videos in the past, Ed does the lion's share of putting stuff on or taking stuff off cars, and I film everything. This time, in fact, more recently, you know, we've been trying to spread the load a bit more. I want Ed to take more responsibility with filming stuff, and you know, that's where we're going with the channel. Let's be a little bit more free and even.
Yes.
So, yeah, look out for some new merch coming soon.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, come and find us on social media. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
Like a little mini rally car we're in.
Yeah.
The steering wheel.
Yeah, the steering wheel's lovely. Yeah.
Scoop as well.
And you've got a rev counter now.
And I got a rev
We'll have to do a shot of driving this car hard,
Yeah.
but with a camera at the back end.
Yeah,
Get the
good
rev
idea.
counter.
Yeah, get the whole view.
And I'll just start making up notes, like rally notes.
Yes. And Nicky Greased.
Three nicks right.
Nicky Greased.
Nicky Greased. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.